Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I'm going to talk about probe replacement kit for Frymaster part #8,262,212. The Frymaster 8,262,212 probe replacement kit is a genuine OEM. Original equipment manufacturer, part designed for use with Frymaster fryers, this kit includes a temperature probe, 2 nuts, and 2 washers. The temperature probe is used to measure the temperature of the oil in the fryer and ensure that it is at the correct level for optimal cooking performance. The nuts and washers are used to secure the probe in place. This kit is an essential part of any Frymaster fryer and should be replaced when needed to ensure proper operation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This replacement kit is designed to fix a variety of issues with Frymaster fryers, including leaking oil, poor temperature control, and improper heating. Here is how you install this part. 1. Disconnect the power to the Frymaster unit. 2. Remove the access panel from the Frymaster unit. 3. Locate and remove the existing probe assembly from the Frymaster unit. 4. Install the new probe assembly into the Frymaster unit, making sure that it is securely fastened in place. 5. Reconnect the power to the Frymaster unit and test for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.